Good morning, students. We are here once again to continue our lesson from High School Book 2. We are looking at respiratory system. So we are still continuing from chapter 1. But today, let's go to page 2. When you look at the images, you can see the heart, okay, and the lungs, okay, the heart and the lungs. The heart consists of the lungs, which help us to breathe in and out. That is called respiratory system. CHI, respiratory system. And how does oxygen enter into our body cell? How does oxygen enter into our body cell? So when you quickly look at the images, you can see we have two lungs or two loops. Two loops that consists of the heart. It helps us to breathe in and out. So we have the right and the left. The right and the left. The right ventricle and the left ventricle. These are the lungs. So the lungs is divided into two. Okay, into two. We have the right and the left. Okay, and each of them have their function. Each of them have their function. Okay. So this is how blood, or this is how the oxygen enter our body. For the heart to be able to pump blood very well. And our circulatory system helps to carry blood to our various body cells, to our various body cells. So that is what we are looking at today. Okay. So quickly, we have the pulmonary arteries. Okay, we have the vena cava, we have the pulmonary veins, the aorta, the heart. Okay, we have the whole body. We have the whole body except lungs. Okay, and this is the heart, the image of the heart. Without oxygen, blood cannot move or circulate in our body system. Okay, so quickly, let's move and look at page 3. Question 2. Page 3. Question 2. Okay. This is our respiratory system, which consists of the trachea. This is the trachea or bronchus. The trachea or the bronchus. It's divided into two. 1, 2. It's divided into two. And each part have their function. Okay, so we have the right and the left. Oxygen is divided into two. Okay, when it entered through, oxygen entered through, okay, the nose, the mouth, and through the trachea, it splits into two. The oxygen splits into two various loops. Okay, two various loops. The right loops and the left loop. Two lungs. Into two different lungs. It enters into two different lungs. Okay, so we have the lungs here. We have the red blood cell. And we have the lungs. Okay, so the question, and we have the body cell. This is the body cell, okay, and we have the blood capillaries, sorry, the blood capillaries. Okay, so let's look at the oxygen at E. What happened to the oxygen at E? Quote A. Briefly explain what happened to the oxygen at E. So page 3, and this is page 2. Very simple. Page 3A. Let's answer A. Page 3. The oxygen at E or let's write it again. Air enters in and out. Air enters in and out of the oxygen at E. So there is air that enter in and out. Okay, in and out. So oxygen at E helps air to enter in and out of the lungs, the right lungs. Okay, copy. Color of the red blood cell. We have F is faint color. It's not all that thick, it's faint. You cannot see it very well. And then this is F and this is H. The blood in H is tinted. Tinted. It's very dark or it's very deep, but this is light. In other words, you can say light, very light, very light, very light. And this is dark, dark color. And this is I. Oxygen concentration. We have F and H is oxygenated. Oxygenated blood. And we have the oxygenated blood. Okay, so that is what happened. F and H. You can look at page 2 and answer the questions. Let's continue. Okay. C. What's C? How does the oxygen enter the body cell? Okay. It enters the body cell through the body cell through the trachea or the windpipe. The windpipe. Okay, or the trachea. Okay, and then we have COSAM. Step 3 good habits that keep our respiratory system. How to keep our respiratory system in a very good way. Do a lot of exercise. So Kian COSAM, do a lot of exercise. Like drink a lot of water to regulate your body temperature. Okay, and then breathe in fresh air, more fresh air. It helps the respiratory system. Thank you. We will stop here and continue next time. Goodbye.